we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Trailer Howard, sidekick swap. Trailer Howard joins Monk as Sharona's replacement. Los Angeles, things learned at the Television Critics Association's Winter Press Tour. Tomorrow, Adrian Monk, Tony Shalhoub, will visit his shrink Stanley Kamel to talk about Sharona, his nurse assistant, who has been gone for 3 months.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.